What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another travel vlog. I'm back here in Boracay for Labor Day. The last time I was here was 2 years ago. It was so different and a lot of partying. It's just pretty trash. And if you haven't seen that wildest Boracay vlog, I'm gonna put the link below. And now look, people are actually enjoying swimming. I missed this sand. Look how powdery it is. I remember there's a lot of people drinking by the shore and even the water. Now, bawal na siya. Tomorrow, we're gonna do a beach cleanup and you guys know how much I love doing that.
Maraming mga puno na namatay dahil sa straw na yan.
Pero I don't recommend using paper straws.
Yeah, I hate using paper straws.
Instagram boyfriend. Yes. This is Mel. Hi! If you guys remember her, she's the one from, Taipei vlog 2-3 years ago. And, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo. I'm sorry.
My boyfriend, Rocco.
Joseph. Hi! You're in the vlog. Diba? Dapat ganyan talaga.
Panoorin natin.
Yes.
Dapat kasama natin si Ave pag nagda-travel. Masaya.
Oo nga. Ano tayo? Double date. From Taiwan to Boracay with this
From
girl.
Osaka to Boracay.
Just finished riding that parao boat. It's really fun. I highly recommend for you guys to try this one out whenever you're here in Boracay. It's pretty crowded right now because it's currently around 5 in the afternoon and the sun is about to set. Look at that crowd. Guys, daming tao. This is Antoinette.
Hey guys!
Yes.
What's up?
TGIS.
Happy
TGIS
Smart
ba yun?
Love Boracay. TGIS! Oh my gosh, yes.
Diba?
Tsaka ang TV.
Oo.
Ang
Ay,
TV
oo
talaga yung
nga.
inuna.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know
Wait
if you know
lang.
what ang TV is anymore.
Pero sino nga yung love team mo nun, diba?
Ay, nakakaloka
Wait
ka.
lang. Alam ko meron eh. Sorry.
Alam na nila
Sino ba? Comment below.
Comment below, ganun. Para siyang bell.
Ay, oo. Okay, gets ko na. Naalala ko na kung sino. She's with me here in Smart Love Boracay.
Yes.
Yes, and it's nice to have someone who's also interested in saving the environment. Ayan, environmental advocate din siya.
All the pretty ladies of Boracay.
Good morning, everyone. Third day here in Boracay, and I'm with Lagi ko na. Oh my gosh, Sherlyn and Mel. So we're gonna do a beach cleanup here in Bulabog. Oh, nice one. Hi. Wow, thank you, Bo.
Morning, ma'am.
Hello, oh my gosh. Where's my jowa? Where's my jowa? Hello. Oh my god, third wheeling, ha? Calling. Martin, where are you? Where's my Scandinavian boy?
Love.
Where's my Scandinavian boy? I'm sorry po.
So we are the girlfriends of Scandinavian boys.
So Finn here, if you guys remember my Cebu vlog, I was with him a waterfall cleanup. Kailangan talagang sweet kayo.
Ay, sorry.
Oh my God.
Third wheeling though.
I guess we're only meeting each other at
Every cleanups. Well, that's good, I think. I hope this is not, what they call this, windy for my...
okay.
I don't have a microphone. And we'll be together until next week. Yes. So expect more vlogs to come with Finn.
Let's have some fun in Boracay.
Yeah,
Enjoy the day. Do a little bit of good work, cleaning up, taking care of Mother Earth.
Yes. Their slippers. Mawala yung underwear. I see a lot of plastic, cigarette butts, things like this. It looks like corals, but it's plastic. Imagine if animals ingest it. Fishes ingest it, and people eat fish. By the way, this is biodegradable plastic, if you guys are wondering. Picked up a lot of trash, guys. Plastic bottles, straws, styros, slippers, cigarette butts.
Good job, girl! If you join the beach cleanup, you're gonna get free hard-boiled eggs for the volunteers.
Ah, diba? Frisbee team. Island hopping. Oh my gosh, look at the water. So blue.
Your foot got stuck on like a rope. So, nobody even really knew that it could be done. Basta may spin na naiiwan.
Good morning from Boracay. Hey guys. Hello. Snorkeling kami. There's Victor.
So, Thursday na tayo mag-meet.
Paolo.
Tapos yung video, the teaser.
What's up everyone? I don't know if you can hear me, but we arrived here in Puka Beach and we are about to do... Ano na yung sako mo, girl? Girl! Ano? Nakakalo. Ano to? We just don't take beautiful photos, but it also help protect and save our environment by doing a beach cleanup once in a while. I do this most of the time whenever I travel around. It's so hard to vlog and it only takes maybe 10-15 minutes to do our part, you know? Mahirap naman mag-vlog tapos magpulot. What's this?
It's a melted something in something.
Plastic.
Mukhang melted plastic.
After the island hopping tour, we are here. Tambisan Island for island lunch. Yes.
Yeah, from Boracay, we're now here in Lamon Bay.
Kain na!
Wingardium Leviosa.
Di ba Wingardium Leviosa? It's Leviosa.
Leviosa.
Pagka, mas kababa.
God! Hello! Busy ka ngayon ah.
So nagkasama-sama lahat ng mga agencies, dinignan ano ba ang plano natin sa Boracay, compliance on Clean Water Act, at saka yung ating environmental compliance.
Wala nang kumakain sa beach, bawal nang manigarilyo.
Gumanda yung isla namin as in bumalik sa dati na ambience. Teach kids about pollution, solid waste management, because they're the ones who will sustain all the things that we're doing now.
Hello! You're in the vlog. Hello. Bye.
Your girl is about to leave the island after 8 days. That's crazy. So I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. Till next time, Boracay. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to Avelovinit, make sure to make sure to press that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I post a new travel vlog. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!